Discover this incredible 24-acre Alabama retreat with Clark Creek frontage, a private pond, and a stunning 5-bedroom home designed for luxury country living. Tucked away behind a secluded private drive, this remarkable property offers the perfect balance of peaceful nature, wide open space, and a beautifully designed home built for comfort and entertaining. Open floor plan is designed for both everyday living and hosting guests. Large living areas flow seamlessly together, creating an inviting space perfect for gatherings and family time. Natural light fills the home through expansive windows, while the layout provides both openness and comfort. In addition to the main living areas, the home includes a separate den and a dedicated office, offering flexibility for working from home, relaxing with family, or creating additional entertainment spaces. With 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, the home easily accommodates large families, guests, or multi-generational living. Step outside onto the expansive balconies, where breathtaking views stretch across the surrounding land. These outdoor spaces are perfect for morning coffee, evening sunsets, or simply enjoying the peaceful sounds of the creek and wildlife that surround the property. With 24 acres of private land, creek frontage, a pond, and a beautifully designed home, this Alabama retreat offers an incredible lifestyle opportunity. Whether you are looking for a quiet country escape, a place to entertain, or a property where luxury meets nature, this one delivers an unforgettable living experience.